Hey, what is up, guys? I'm going to show you how to organize your GoPro files and rename them and get them in order very easily. Beforehand, I was doing it all manually and it sucked. After this recent trip that I had, it took about pretty much right in the whole day. I had at least 5 hours of footage, too many files, and they're all unorganized. Initially, this is how I was organized. I'm just doing it by hand. It really sucked. It wasn't optimized, and it takes away from your editing time because you have to go through and organize all this. So your files probably look something like this, maybe a different naming convention in the front, depending on what GoPro you have. But I'm going to show you guys how to sort this out very quickly. So first of all, I want to give a big thanks to DeviantOllam. He made the script that automates this process. I will leave a link to his GitHub. So first what we're going to do is copy the script, open up WordPad, and paste it. Now what you want to do is look at your file names of your GoPro files. I know the older ones are GH, I believe, or maybe they're even the older ones might be a different extension. Since I have the GoPro 10, my file names are GX. So what I'm going to do is change the GH in here to GX, and then we're going to save it. We'll save this to our desktop, and we can call it, you can call it anything you want, but I'll call it bulk renamer dot bat, and then just save it to your desktop. Hit yes. So now we have our script here. So now what you want to do is you want to drag that script into your folder that has your GoPro footage. Don't delete this. You can just copy and paste it into each folder for your footage if that's how you organize it. I organize it by date. So that's just how I do it. Next, we'll open up PowerShell. Some of you might have your files stored in your C drive. I personally store mine in the D drive. It's just my extra drive that's in my PC that holds has a big capacity. So I pretty much just put all my GoPro footage on that. So if you do need to enter a new drive domain, all you have to do is go, I think you can just do cd d:, and then now you're in the D drive. And this works for any drive that you have. Just do cd, which is, I'm not a coder. I always think of it as change directory, but I'm pretty sure it stands for something else. Anyway, the good thing about PowerShell is you can just hit tab and it automates a lot of stuff. So since we see here that it's D drive, GoPro footage, I can just type in GoPro and then hit tab, and it'll come up and finish the extension of it. Or you can type it out completely and we'll hit enter. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So this is because I didn't do CD. So again, we'll do CD space GoPro enter. It's a good rule of thumb to just list out certain stuff. So if you want to have a list of everything that's in that drive, we can do ls enter, and then this shows me basically all the files that are in this GoPro footage folder. We want to do 2-12, so we'll do cd space 2-12 enter. Now we're in this folder, and then if you want to do ls just to see all the files, you can see all the video files here, and here we have our bulk renamer file. So all we have to do is just run that. You don't need to type in cd because we're not changing the directory or searching for anything else. All we're going to do is type in bulk renamer, but you can just type in a little bit of it and then hit tab, and now we found it. Now as soon as I hit enter, it's going to organize all of these videos in order and rename them. And that's it. Now your GoPro footage is in order, renamed, and ready to be edited. And that's pretty much how I run this. All I'll do is after I finish it, I'll just either drag it to my main GoPro footage folder, and I'll just keep copying and paste it in different folders for renaming them. But I hope this helps you guys out. I hope this speeds up your process, and thanks for watching.